Hi guys, do you have a budget of around $1,230 and you're asking yourself what kind of business can I turn my investment into a successful business with at least a potential of 5 income or even more? My name is Brolin Muchesia and I'm a seasoned entrepreneur, and I joined digital marketing from an invitation I got from my friend back in 2018. And today, since then, I've learned a lot of things when it comes to business, my entrepreneurship journey. For example, I've learned on the importance of consistency, on the importance of having the right skills in any kind of business, and the art of being consistent and taking action. So if you are new to this channel, I want you to stay up to the end of this video. I'm going to tell you how you can actually invest $1,230 into a business model, and 6 months, 1 year down the line, you'll have a potential of at least earning a passive income. As I start with that kind of budget, if you are going to get the right skills, the right steps, and find someone who is ready to coach you, train you, then I want to assure you that you have a guarantee that you can succeed in network marketing business. So if you have never done this kind of business before, in the description section down below, I've actually talked how network marketing business works, and actually also how to know the legitimate of a network marketing company. But however, these are the benefits that you are going to get when you start in network marketing business. Number one, there are different packages when it comes to my company. So when I'm talking about $1,230, that is equivalent to one package. Once you have paid that amount, there are no other additional costs that you are going to pay. If you compare to other types of business, the other things that you need for you to pay or to have before you start running that business. For example, you need the raw materials, you need to pay for the rent, you need license, you need to pay for you need the staff salary, plus other things that comes with starting any kind of business. But once you have paid $1,230, then you are good to start. What you just need is the access to the internet and the device you are using. For example, if you are using just like your phone or whatever you like to access on with the internet, and you get to learn on how the business is done. Number two is there are no special skills that you need for you to start doing network marketing business. If you look, for example, the corporate world or other kind of business, there are things that you must have or you need to know for you to run or to do that business. But in network marketing business, just learn on how to relate with the people, and my friend, you are good to go, or you are good to start your successful journey in network marketing business. Number three, in this kind of business, we have the training, coaching, and mentorship program. Once you have joined, and the person who has introduced you into the business, for example, if it is me, my role or my duty is to show you how the business is done. For example, I need to show on how to invite people, I need to show on how to present to them, what you are supposed to tell them, how are you supposed to talk, and everything that comes with the network marketing. You need to have those basic equipment or basic skills for you to succeed in this kind of business. The beauty about that is you are going to be coached and mentored by the person who has introduced you into the business. Number four, if you get to follow the training and the coaching, then you have a guarantee of generating a passive income. And one thing I need you to understand is joining a network marketing business is not joining a business scheme where within a short period of time you're going to start generating a lot of money or wealth. No, learn the business before you start earning. Don't have that mindset of that if this business I'm going to join today, then tomorrow money will be coming to me. No, you have to learn the business before you start making that income. Number five benefit of joining a network marketing company business is it doesn't require you to have a special location or a special place for you to run this business. This is one of the best business model that you can actually start it or do it at any given place. Whether you are doing it at your office, you are doing it at home, you are doing it maybe if you love traveling, you love going to different places, or any place. Once you have the access to the internet and to your phone, then you can still do this business. And another thing in when it comes to location is you have the skills, you have the tools. For example, like in my company, we have the presentation guide in form of PDF, or you can have a physical book that you use just to present the business. Those are some of the things that you just need to have for you to run this business when it comes to location. Number 6, if you love traveling, you love lifestyle, you have an opportunity to join an international business. For example, in my company, it is an international company. It doesn't matter where you're coming from or your region. You have a guarantee to do this business from anywhere. So when I talk about traveling, you might join, once you have joined this business, you might introduce someone from a different country from or a different location, and maybe you have never been to that place. So once that team is growing or that place, your business is expanding, then time will come, you'll start traveling and meeting some of these people, the new people you have introduced into the business, and talk to them, train them, and get to interact with them. And that could be maybe a moment where you're traveling to that place for the first time. Lifestyle, maybe you love going to the different airport, maybe you love traveling to different airport, different places, and this business gives you that chance to go to a different country or a different or a different location, courtesy of it being an international business. Another benefit is you might be a person who has that need of helping other people. Now, network marketing business is not just about you, it is about the people you are introducing into the business, because you have to train these people to show them, you have to mentor these people. How will you feel when you find that the people you have introduced into the business, they are succeeding? Or for example, we have different products when it comes in my company. For example, we have what weight loss product. How will you feel when someone tells you, courtesy of this product, courtesy of this supplement, my weight has changed or my weight has reduced just because of you saying yes to this opportunity? So if you love helping other people, then this is one of the opportunity that you have a chance you can help someone depending with their personal need. Therefore, the last benefit is on team building, family, or networking. If you are looking for a business that you are going to interact with different people, because when I look at my company and my team, we might decide that let us go maybe for hiking, camping. Some people maybe they love going, for those who love to eat meat, they go for maybe goat eating. Others will go for playing different sports or participating in different activities. Even sometimes we go for charity, we go to charity organization, we give donation. So at this moment, you have a chance to interact with different people. For example, if the team building has been organized by the company, you are going to find that people from different region, different teams come together, they get to interact. So in that moment, you have a chance to at least interact with people with different diversity, different location, and you build a family. Therefore, as I finish up, you might be asking yourself, can I do this business? Do you have people who have done this business before? Am I able to actually succeed in this business? Personally, if I look at how I get started in this business, I was still a student when I was introduced to this opportunity. There are some challenges that I came along. For example, there are people who rejected this opportunity. There are people who are telling me it is a scam. There are people who are telling me it is an illegal pyramid schemes. But courtesy of the training, the coaching, and the mentorship we have, you are going to learn that some of these objections you go through are just things or misconceptions that people have. But when you get to learn and be taught very well, you are going to teach these people that this is not a scam, this is what a scam is. This is not an illegal pyramid scheme, this is how illegal pyramid schemes are. And when you get to have that information, then when someone tells you such kind, you know what to answer them, and you know what to go, you know how to respond to them. So that is how I got trained, and today I can say that this business has built my personal confidence, my personal self-esteem. I can stand before people, present to them, talk to them, and show how this business is done. Lastly, I know you might be having questions or you have inquiries that you want to make. I'm ready to do so, and also I'm ready to show you how this business is done. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact down in the description section down below. Reach out to me, ask me all the questions you have, and I'm ready to answer you accordingly. However, I want to thank you for watching this video up to this end. Remember to subscribe, to share, or you can also leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll be able also to answer you. Waiting you on my WhatsApp to present to you, to show you how this business is done.